Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do today's GoTranscript tests. There are two tests, and the first one is always about the quiz, and they test how much you know the guidelines and stuff. Okay, they both test about knowing the guidelines, but the first one is more of grammar and stuff and how you are good at English. So today we are gonna go through the quiz, and also gonna go do the audio test. So for the grammar part, you really need to understand the guidelines. So guys, let's get into it. First, when you open, okay, you always join as a transcriber. So me, I've just like clicked the transcriber button, and then you can see an account that is not active at GoTranscript doesn't have the work button. There's always a work button here, so this is still not accepted. So I'm gonna show you how we can apply for this account and see how things go. So stick with me till the end of the video, because you don't wanna miss out. So let's go. So you come to the bottom of the page here. At the right, you can see join as a transcriber. So you click there. That's the button you click. Then after you click the button, you can see it brings you here. Transcription jobs available worldwide. Watch. And then you can come to apply now. It's a button again. You click it. So after you click, and then I'm joining English. So definitely I'm clicking English. So this is the grammar part. This is the quiz. So it starts. Apply for transcriber position. To apply for transcriber position, you must complete the quiz 100%. You must call the answers. And then use our guidelines. Guys, again, you need to read the GoTranscript guidelines. If you can't read the guidelines, you can't pass the guidelines. I've passed through the guidelines before, and I'm not gonna pass the guidelines again. I'm not gonna read through them. So I'm just gonna do the test. So the first quiz, the girl is in her late. This is so wrong. It can be 20s. It can be 20C. That's so wrong. So the correct answer is B. Next question. She said this is punctuation, and you need to understand how to punctuate. She said these quotations and stuff. So the correct answer is B. A is wrong. C is wrong. Quotation, no quotation marks, no full stop. That's poor grammar. Okay, question 3. Vilnius dash. Okay, that's the capital of Lithuania. So I know the spelling of Lithuania. So you look at this one and this one might be correct, but now you look at the commas. So this will be the answer. This is so wrong. It's not called Lithuania, and even it's small L, so that's not right. Yeah, the answer is D. My eyes are blue. The correct answer is my eyes is blue. Doesn't make sense. Was B? Nah, doesn't make sense. Okay, which is the correct one when showing affirmation? That one you can like check them out in the guidelines. It's affirmations. Okay, all right. That's not the correct form. This one is. You can check that out in the guidelines. It's there. What's the rule about the brackets in GT line? They don't really talk about them. We mostly talk about there's no rule about them. Not really. It should never be used for timestamp. For yeah, this is so correct. I have dash that is the guidelines. That one. What's the correct format in timestamping? Change of speaker is also in the guidelines. This one. This mainly timestamp for every 2 minutes, maybe every that's when you use this. A transcriber should italicize. Song title is there. Part of TV programs and foreign expressions. Longer speeches should be separated into paragraphs of about 100. Yeah, this is the correct answer. So you confirm. And then yeah, we have passed the first test, as you guys can see. So the second test is always about the audio. So you guys, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna edit this audio so that we can get the correct answer. So yeah, you guys just stay tuned as we get to do the audio test.